I see some kids playing on the swings. I want to join them. I might want to swing too. I see some kids eating lunch in the cafeteria. I haven't found a place to sit yet. I'd like to join someone too. I see other kids playing tag at recess. I would like to play too. Maybe I could ask to join them. I see some kids reading together. I wonder what they're reading. I would like to read the book with them. Maybe I could join them. Some kids on my soccer team are playing pass before our game. I would like to play pass too. Maybe I could join them. Some of my classmates are helping my teacher put away books in our classroom library. I would like to help too. Maybe I could join them.